How did a super hybrid hard SUV come into being? Let's walk into the equation Leopard car production line. Discover the wisdom of the super hybrid hard SUV Leopard 5. The tempered steel plate has a leopard shape. Precise and firm, build a pair of leopard irons. Superstructure, lay a natural strong high energy strength. Lean coatings, the ultimate interpretation of leopard power aesthetics. Benchmark quality, leopard power on full power set free. Strict standards. The whole area guards the safety of leopard friends.